To manage your term deposit maturity in NetBank, visit netbank.com.au and log on using your NetBank ID and password. And type Term Deposit where it says Search NetBank at the top of the screen. Choose Manage My Term Deposit in the drop-down menu. Then select the relevant account. If you're making your request prior to maturity, scroll down on the Manage Your Term Deposit page and click See Instructions. Scroll to Maturity Instructions and select one of the options in the drop-down menu. Confirm the additional details that are requested and click Submit. Your future maturity instructions are now confirmed. If you're making your request at maturity or during the grace period, make sure you're on the Manage Your Term Deposit page. Then select the relevant account. Under Amend Your Renewal Details, click Amend Now. Choose Renewal options from the drop-down menu. Then, select your choice from the displayed terms. Choose an interest payment option. Review the details and click OK. Then click Submit, and your instructions are now confirmed. You can learn more about NetBank at commbank.com.au/NetBank.